How to email your resume and cover letter like a pro. Hey learners! Have you ever wondered how to properly email your resume and cover letter when applying for a job? Well, today we will be diving deep into the topic of emailing your resume and cover letter. By the end of this video, you'll be confident in sending your job applications through email. When you're about to send an important email like this, always ensure that 1. Your email address looks professional. Stick to combinations of your name rather than nicknames or unrelated words. 2. Subject line. This is crucial. Use clear subject lines such as application for, job title, your name. 3. Always double-check the recipient's email. You don't want your application ending up in the wrong inbox. This is where you get the chance to briefly introduce yourself and your intentions. 1. Begin with a formal greeting, like, Dear recipient's name, or if you don't know their name, Dear hiring manager, will do. 2. Introduce yourself in the first paragraph. Mention the position you're applying for and where you found the job listing. 3. The second paragraph can be a short summary of why you believe you're a great fit for the role. Highlight some key experiences or skills. 4. Thank and sign off. Express gratitude for their time and consideration. Close with, sincerely, or, best regards, followed by your name. Attachments are the stars of your email, so 1. Ensure that your files are properly named. For instance, John Doe _resume, or Jane Doe _cover letter. 2. It's ideal to send your files in PDF format to maintain the layout across all devices. 3. Do not forget to attach before sending. Many miss out on job opportunities by forgetting this simple step. Before you press that button, 1. Proofread your email body for any typos or grammatical errors. 2. Ensure that all the attachments are correctly attached. 3. Send a test email to yourself or a friend to see how it looks. And there you have it. With these tips, you're now ready to email your resume and cover letter with confidence. Remember, the way you present yourself, even in emails, matters a lot during job applications. We hope this video has been helpful, and we wish you all the best in your job applications.